You clearly are the world's greatest detective. Perhaps you, monsieur, can find out what magic's mystery sound is. Ooh. Can we play you a sound? If you win it, you could win £10,000.
Henriette, this is very disturbing.
Have a listen. What's that?
Oh, crikey.
Want to hear it again?
Yes, please.
Tom's concentrating hard.
I've definitely heard that sound before.
Well, in the film, if you see the film, one of the most amazing parts of Poirot's skill is to use regularly the brilliance of his assistant Book, played by Tom Bateman. And in this instant, Tom, I should like to give you the opportunity. You know that I know the answer, but this is a chance to big you up, my friend.
It's a shameless, but you're passing the book there.
Yeah. Go for it.
It sounds like someone hanging up a phone.
Okay.
Wrong. Good day to you, sir.
Oh, sorry, Tom.
Back on the dole.
Sorry.
What can it be?
I'm sorry.